Okay, hey guys, in this video we will learn on how to use Podio Chat. So, naglilik ito. So, papalitan natin. Okay, and then, so take a look guys. Muna natin. So, okay, pagmasdan nyo kung paano natin isisintro. Then, so ikot mo na, paikot. Then, let's point the reference. So, itututok natin to. Then, paikutin. So, isi-center natin by using yeah, by using 4 points method. So, mula dyan, isisit natin, then iuusog natin dito sa kabila. So, just loosen that side. So, paluwagan natin. Then, ngayon, dito sa kabila, hihigpitan natin para mag-move yung workpiece. So, cross line muna, side by side. Okay, so itututok muna natin dyan, banda dyan. Then dito naman sa kabila, so focus muna tayo sa area na yan, magkabilaan. Okay, then kunting ikot, check. So mula dyan, then dito naman sa kabila. Yan, medyo malayo. So, ang gagawin natin dito, paluwagan natin. Then, medyo nalaglag. Tusok mo na. Lalagyan natin ng kalso, copper, yung malalambot para hindi masira yung materialis. Then, imumove natin by paghigpit sa kabila. So, check mo na. So, then ganun lang ang paraan. Kung malayo siya, luluwagan, then higpitan sa kabila para uusog hanggang makuha yung sintro. For my foreign subscribers, so this is how to center using Podio guys. So this is 4-point techniques. Okay, so first we sit on that side, then opposite. So this is 4-point techniques. Then we sit on that side, first point. Then opposite, that is second point. Then at the bottom, so that is third point. Then on the top, so that is 4 points. Okay. So this is the proper method. Then we're gonna check on that side. Then turn. Opposite side. It's too far. So then check in every points. Just turn. Then lose the jaw and tighten the opposite side of the jaw to move the workpiece until you get the center. Okay. So lock so good, then just turn. So guys, ito na yung minasya natin. Yan. Yan na yun. Ito yung dating plug naglilik. Yun. So, papalitan natin to. So, ang technique, kailangan imamachine tong housing para bilog, para pagpasok ng plug, walang singaw. Okay. Yan. Pa-flat na siya. Ito, sure ball to. So, ito na. I-fix na natin guys. Oops. Lang. Isa pa. Up. 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 Okay. Release. Check.